Hi guys. Welcome to another new episode. Today I present an awareness video for you. Hope today's video will be useful for you. I hope you will like this video and thanks for watching. Please comment whether you like or not, and because it will benefit others. Don't forget to share, like, and comment. We buy and sell something from the market every day. But many times the report that the digital weighing scale displays is not correct. Sometimes it shows the weight of heavy objects less and sometimes it shows the weight of heavy objects more, which keeps us confused. So I request you to watch today's video carefully. To solve this problem, first you need to get a standard calibration weight set. Then turn on the machine and see the weight measurement information of the weight set. The actual weight of the weight set is 500 grams, but it is displaying 550 grams more than its actual weight, which is 50 grams more. So now I will calibrate this digital scale. First, you have to turn on the machine. Press the common code 3658 button from the machine's keyboard and press Tare. I entered the code and pressed the Tare button. But nothing changed on the display. I pressed the common code 3658 button several times and pressed Tare, but nothing changed on the display. In case of such a problem, the machine has to be opened completely. All digital weighing scales have two vertical pins or jumpers on the main motherboard. I shorted or connected the two pins and turned on the machine. Now I noticed a change in the display. I saw CAL on the display, which indicates calibration mode. I set the scale cover and tray. Step 1. Press 1 from the keyboard. Then press Tare. Step 2. When 2 is displayed on the display, a standard calibration weight set must be placed. I placed a standard calibration weight set of 500 grams. Step 3. Press Tare once and when 3 shows, the weight of the weight set should be displayed in grams by pressing the number. I wrote 500 grams as 500 and pressed Tare once to go to the next step. Step 4. The maximum amount of objects that the weighing machine can weigh at a time is usually mentioned on the cover. In this step, I displayed the maximum weight capacity of this scale as 30 kilograms in grams. 30 kilograms in grams is 30,000. I pressed 30,000 and pressed Tare once. Step 5. In this step, there may be some difference in weight, which is plus or minus 2 grams. I kept the default 2 grams and pressed Tare once. Step 6. Keep the information of this step as default and press Tare once. Now I turned off the weight scale and removed the standard calibration weight set. I turned on the weight scale and placed the weight set in the scale tray. The weight of the weight set is displayed as 500 grams, which is correct. The digital scale is now useful for measuring the correct weight. How the video is and how to make it better, you can write your opinion in the comments section. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to press like button and share to your friends. Stay tuned by subscribing to my channel and presses the bell button to get the next video. Good luck.